So you start I. Hereby swear.
Members of the press, I have here with me my colleagues, the Permanent Secretary Works, next to me is the Commissioner for Health, and then the Director General of Bureau of Public Enterprise, or Bureau of Public Procurement, yes. Council met this morning. Actually, the meeting started at 10, with His Excellency the Governor presiding, and Council took very major decisions. My colleagues who are here will be able to give details of all that we have approved. And the first assignment was to swear in or take oath of secrecy of members of the council who joined us today, the commissioners and then the permanent secretaries and the DG Bureau of Public Procurement. So these were the major decisions that we took. Council approved the 33.3 kilometer Elele-Omoku Road after a wonderful presentation from the Permanent Secretary, Minister of Works. The Council made several contributions and eventually approved the details of that project to be made available to the press. We also were briefed by the Commissioner for Health, who will also give us the full details of all that her ministry has been able to put together. Council also will be setting up a 5-man committee made up of commissioners of Agric, Urban, Permanent Secretary Lands, and Surveyor General to deal with the issues of land grabbing. All that will be put together within the week, and the Council will also provide all the necessary requirements for that committee to conclude its job within the record time. It is important that I mention that the monies for the construction of the 33 kilometer is from our savings. It is important because most people would be asking what we are doing with internally generated, but these are monies that are accrued from our savings. That approach will also be what Council or this government will be adopting in dealing with the issue of the Trans-Calabari Road project, which will soon commence. So on this note, I'll invite the Permanent Secretary, Minister of Works, to give the details as to the road project which we're doing in Elele and the 3 local governments of Ikwerre, Emohua and Ogba, Egbema and Ndoni. That we took this decision based on the professional advice of the legal aspect of what true governance truly stands for. The Bureau of Public Procurement will give us an opinion, but before then, I doubt if the Commissioner of Permanent Secretary Works told us the name of the contracting firm. The contracting firm for this Elele-Omoku Road is Cranborg Construction Company Limited. Cranborg has plied their trade across the country, even beyond the shores of this country, and they are a very reputable firm. They have done routes across the west, and then I think that they're stronger also in Lagos and where? And Anambra State. So we are very sure that they will be able to deliver on time as we had already projected. Thank you. So,
yes, the Ministry of Works transmitted all their drawings, estimates, and projects for the job and the bidding documents. For the award of contract for construction dualization of Elele-Omoku Road, Ubima, Ikwerre-Omoku Road and Bridge in Ikwerre, Ogba, Egbema, Ndoni local government areas in River State. Now, therefore, having examined all the documents in consideration of all relevant documents submitted by the River State Ministry of Works in fulfillment of the issuance of certificate of no objections, and having fulfilled all necessary procedures, guidelines, as required by the River State Public Procurement Law and as amended, and its implementation and regulation, the Bureau hereby issues a certificate of no objection for the project.
So, are there questions? Questions? Okay, thank you, and God bless us.
No. Except for their names.
Okay.
I will explain the details of this project. The project starts from Elele to Umudioga, Egbeda, Ubimini, all the way to Omoku. Total length of the project is 33.5 kilometers. There is an existing road there, which is just 7.3 meter width, but this time government wants to dualize this project. The proposed road width now which shall be 7.8 meters, asphalted fully, with a shoulder of 2.5 meter width. I would like to mention that along this road, we have several kilometers of low land, wherein to build a road shall require replacement, filling of the ground by more than 3 meters high. This the contractor can only achieve through hydraulics and filling and using laterite. You know how costly these are. The road is also having a bridge of 99 meters long to be built side by side the existing one between Egbeda and Omoku. At this point, I may take your questions.
Costs.
The cost of the project is 80 billion, 886 million, 404,836 naira and 45 kobo only. The delivery period is 24 months, 2 years.
So you say the payments will be sourced from savings.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.